Hello students, now we'll discuss how to find the square root of a complex number. Square root of a complex number, how to find? Right, square root of complex numbers. Right, its procedure. First we determine write its procedure how to find square root of a complex number. First bit, it is of the form root over of x plus iy or root over of x minus iy. X may be a positive number or a negative number, but plus iy or it will be minus iy. Then you write like this. Let root over of x plus iy is equal to a plus ib if it is in this form, or root over of x minus iy is equals to a minus ib. Now square both sides. Squaring both sides, x plus iy equal to a plus ib whole square, or x minus iy is equals to a minus ib whole square. Now equate the square, open the whole square on the right side. X plus iy will be a square plus I square b square plus I into 2ab. And similarly you can open the whole square of this also. We derive this and later you derive this. बर्तमान आपको अब derive करिबा, एटा तमे परे derive कर परबो सेमति. Implies x plus iy equal to a square minus b square plus I into 2ab. Now I square value is minus 1. Now equating the real and imaginary part, what will be the value of a square minus b square? It is x. And what will be the value of 2ab? It is y. Then a square minus b square is equal to x and 2ab is equals to y. Then what is a square plus b square whole square? A square plus b square whole square is a square minus b square whole square plus 4a square b square. A square minus b square whole square plus 4a square b square. A plus b whole square is a minus b whole square plus 4ab. That formula we use. That is equal to x square. It is 2ab whole square. 2ab whole square. 2ab value is y. So it is y square. Then what is x? A square plus b square? A square plus b square is root over of x square plus y square. Now you find the value of x here, a square minus b square, and the value of a square plus b square here. If we add this, b square will cancel, we will get the value of a. If you subtract this, then you get the value of b. Now this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Now a square minus b square is equal to x, equation number 1. You add this, b square cancel, 2a square is equal to x plus root over of x square plus y square. Then a square is equals to x plus root over of x square plus y square by 2. And what is a? A is equal to root over of x plus root over of x square plus y square by 2. This is a. And subtracting this, we will get the value of b. Now equation 2 minus equation 1, a square plus b square is equal to root over of a square x square plus y square, and a square minus b square is equals to x minus plus minus 2b square equal to minus x plus root over of x square plus y square. Then b is equals to root over of minus x plus root over of x square plus y square by 2. This is the value of b. So So root over of x plus iy is equals to plus minus, this is plus minus, plus minus, plus minus a plus ib, a plus ib. You put the value of a and b here and you will get the root over of a complex number, square root of a complex number. Now we come to one question for this. We come to one question for this. Question: evaluate root over of 3x 3 plus 4i. Come to this answer. Root over of 3 plus 4i is equals to a plus ib. If it is minus 4i, then it will be minus ib. But it is here the plus 4i, so we check plus ib. Squaring these sides, both sides, 3 plus 4i is equal to a plus ib whole square. A plus ib whole square. That is equals to a square plus I square b square plus I into 2ab. What is I square value? Minus 1. 3 plus 4i is equal to a square minus b square plus I into 2ab. I into 2ab. Now what is a square minus b square? It is 3. What is 2ab? It is 4. A square minus b square is equals to 3. 2ab is equals to 4. Then a square plus b square whole square is equal to a square minus b square whole square plus 4a square b square. 4a square b square, it is 3 square plus 4 square, that is equals to 25. Then what is a square plus b square? A square plus b square is 5, not plus minus 5. Why not plus minus? Because square of two real numbers cannot be negative. A square can be negative 9, b square can be negative 11. Then a square minus b square is equals to 3. Add this, 2a square equal to 8, a square equal to 4, then a equal to plus minus 2. A equal to plus minus 2. If you put a square is equals to 4, then what will be b square? A square is 4, then what is b square? B square is 1. 4 plus b square is 5, so b square is 1. If b square is 1, then what is b? B is plus minus root over of 1, that is plus minus 1. So, root over of 3 plus 4i, so root over of 3 plus 4i is equal to a plus ib is equal to plus minus 2 plus I into 1. This is the answer. Now you do all the problems like this. This is the square root of a complex number.